Hi everyone, this is Jillian from Bliss Crystals, and today I'm going to teach you about how to use crystals to strengthen your intuition and to open up your third eye chakra, which is up here located between your eyes, between your eyebrows. So the first thing you can do with a cabochon or a flat small palm stone is you can actually glue it like I have done on your third eye using eyelash glue that you can get at any drugstore or makeup store. And we have a lot of the cabochons here available. We have lapis lazuli cabochons, we have amethyst cabochons, charite cabochons, as well as labradorite cabochons. It's really fun and artistic, and it allows you to go about your day with the third eye opening stone directly over your third eye chakra. If you don't want to do that, the other way to do it is to lay down flat on your bed or on a yoga mat and place a palm stone or a cabochon over that third eye area. So preferably it's a nice flat, lightweight stone. And then close your eyes, deepen your breath, slow everything down, and then just breathe into that third eye chakra space. You can also imagine an indigo ball of light surrounding you. So there's many ways to strengthen your intuition and really open up that third eye, other than just placing the crystals over the area. You can also journal. You can keep track of your thoughts and your gut reactions and your physical reactions to things throughout the day and write them all down, keep track of them. Another way is to listen to your dreams and pay more attention to your dreams. They're a very, very strong indicator of your intuitive state because that is your subconscious. During the day, in your waking state, that is your conscious mind. That's your cognitive state. It's always thinking about what's going on around you and thinking logically. And your intuitive sense is a little bit more of the creative. It's the creative, spiritual, sensing, feeling, emotional state. So you want to really connect with that state in order to strengthen your intuition. So writing down your dreams, maybe keeping a dream journal, or telling people about your dreams as soon as you wake up is a great way to channel that energy and really keep track of what's going on in your subconscious and what's going on in your intuitive world, right? And then the next thing is to really pay attention to those little intuitive flashes and intuitive hunches that you get throughout the day. Maybe it's when you're first waking up. Maybe it's when you're going to sleep. Maybe it's when you're getting in the shower. I know showers are a great place to tap into that intuitive wisdom that we all have. Then another thing to do is to get away from your daily grind. Get away from your rhythms and your patterns and your habits and go on a little mini vacation, even if it's just for a weekend. Get out in nature, smell the fresh air, see the greenery around you, and then maybe do some journaling while you're doing that, or maybe after. That's a great way to tap into those intuitive flashes. And then, of course, the last way is to establish a regular meditation practice, and that's going to really calm your mind and soothe your mind and slow down all those cognitive, logical, thinking brain type of thoughts. That is going to strengthen your intuitive sense because that's the part of your body, of your mind, that you're trying to tap into. You're trying to get these monkey mind, these very fast thoughts to not be the focus. You're trying to get the inner knowing, that inner strength and that inner intuition, that wisdom. You're trying to bring that out. And meditation is something that can help you do that. So what I recommend doing is while you're meditating, have some stones around you that inspire intuition, such as lapis lazuli, labradorite, iolite, amethyst, charite, and super 7, as well as celestite, and maybe some angels to tap into that angel wisdom, the spirit guides, and the angel guides. After you sit in your meditation seat and you maybe do some slow, deep breaths, some nice breath work, some pranayama, then is the time to really, really slow down and ask your question. After you've asked your question, make it really simple too, not like some long-winded question, just a simple maybe yes or no question, or a should I pursue this new career or something along those lines. Then do your meditation at least 5 to 10 minutes. And you'll find often that after 5 to 10 minutes, you actually will come up with some wisdom will come bubbling up, and you will have an answer to your question. It's really fascinating. I highly recommend trying it, and definitely meditate with some stones that inspire that intuitive wisdom. Lapis is great. Of course, I showed you in a previous tutorial about how to use a lapis sphere to massage your temples and your forehead. I mean, this just feels wonderful over the third eye, so I can't recommend that enough. But for sure, while you're meditating, you can definitely hold on to some lapis or some labradorite. Maybe surround yourself with those type of stones when you're trying to come up with an answer to your questions. And then the other thing is using a pendulum. This is a great thing to tap into that inner wisdom. So I'm going to turn the camera around in a moment and give you more of a tutorial, but there's a lot of ways to work with the pendulum. You want to first find one that you resonate with. Just find one, it could be any stone really that you resonate with. This one is a fluorite. But once you have attuned yourself to it and spent some time with it, then you want to program it to your yes or no. This is a really fun way to work with your intuition and your own inner wisdom. And essentially that's all you're trying to tap into when we're talking about intuition, is your own inner wisdom. The other things you can work with are, of course, oracle cards, tarot cards, and those types of things. So anyway, thank you guys for joining. I really appreciate you. And be sure to check out blisscrystals.com for all of these beautiful crystals. And I'll see you in just a moment. I'm going to turn the camera around and give you a better view of these stones. Okay, guys, so here are your stones and crystals for inspiring intuition and opening your third eye. So we have labradorite, also labradorite cabochons, which are wonderful to glue with eyelash glue on your third eye. Labradorite flashy, flashy hearts. And then iolite. This is an iolite sphere. And of course, we have our favorite, lapis lazuli, beautiful spheres, and we have some different little towers and cabochons as well. These are the ones that I have glued on my forehead today. And then sodalite. And sodalite is all about bringing forth your inner wisdom from your deep inner self. We have Super 7. Super 7 is a combination mineral with amethyst and coaxinite and sometimes citrine and smoky quartz. It has all kinds of different minerals in it. It's a very, very strong third eye chakra opener. So definitely small slabs like these are great to place over the forehead on the third eye. And then we have these ones are charate. They're charate cabochons, and then the ones on this side are amethyst cabochons. So amethyst is amethyst and Super 7, because they're essentially the same stone. They are a stone that really activate the crown chakra. And the crown chakra and the third eye chakras definitely work together to bring that wisdom, that spiritual wisdom, down through the third eye and then express it. And so anything with amethyst in it is especially helpful for that. Now, I also have a amethyst angel here, and angels are really important because they represent our spirit guides or our angel guides. So if you do any work with that, having an angel around, especially a crystal angel, is particularly helpful. We also have celestite, and celestite, of course, is a stone that resonates with angels and angel energy. Its cousin, angelite, definitely resonates with the angel energy as well. Of course, celestite is a crystallized form of angelite. Angelite is a compressed form of celestite. So these are wonderful to keep by the bedside. Like I mentioned earlier, if you are trying to keep track of your dreams or maybe sleep more soundly so that you can have dreams, this is an excellent stone to help you with that. And then just a quick little tutorial again on the pendulum usage. So you want to, again, find a pendulum that you resonate with. In this case, this is a fluorite pendulum, but we have pendulums available in lots of different stones. We have black tourmaline, we have quartz and smoky quartz and amethyst. We have all kinds of ones. So definitely check out blisscrystals.com to pick out a pendulum that works for you. Or if you don't find one that works for you, definitely message us. We might have some in backstock that's not listed online. So first you want to attune yourself to the pendulum and you want to cleanse it energetically. So you want to maybe rinse it in some water, let it dry, and maybe let a little bit of sunlight hit it and or moonlight. Not too much sun because it can fade crystals. And then you want to blow some sage smoke over it and maybe say some intentions. What is your intention for this pendulum? Please, fluorite pendulum, will you help me to understand my relationship with so-and-so, or help me to find ways to make more income, or anything like that. So just state your intention and cleanse the stone. And then you want to find your yes and no. So that's really important. So you want to, you can even just ask it, tell me or show me my yes, and then just start moving it, and it's going to go in a distinct direction. Right now, it looks like it's going clockwise. Yeah, definitely going clockwise. So that would be my yes. And then you're going to stop it, and then you're going to say, please show me my no. And then just let it move. And it looks like it's just going in a kind of straight line. So that's definitely an answer too. That doesn't have to be a direction. It could be like up and down. But I wanted to definitely let you know about pendulums because they're a very useful tool when you are learning how to hone your intuition. Okay guys, so that is my tutorial on how to use crystals to enhance your intuition and deepen your intuitive state and open up your third eye chakra. So I hope you've enjoyed it, and please check out blisscrystals.com for these and more crystals. Thank you so much, and many crystal blessings. Bye everyone.